Hi, hello, and welcome back to Rebel Unicorn Crafts. Today we're on day 8 of the 12 days of fluid painting tips and tricks to improve your practice. And today we're going to be focusing on moving on from failures. As with any art form or art practice, from time to time you're going to have results that don't maybe live up to your expectations. And part of practicing art that can be really helpful is learning to just move on. Either try something different or make the most of things. It's okay, you'll have successes again in the future, but how do you recover from those failures in the present? I have 2 suggestions. The first is quite simple. Cover it up. So take a canvas, re-gesso it, like we discussed in the reusing supplies portion of this tips and tricks series, and just paint something else on top of it. The hardest part about doing this is probably going to be just making the decision on what to paint over. But once you have, you've got a fresh new canvas for you to re-explore. My second tip is to actually repurpose those old canvases. Now, this takes a little bit more time and effort to complete, but the payoff is really great. You can see here I spent an afternoon just taking off old canvases that I am not planning to keep record or hang or anything, and I removed them from their frame, and then I actually just repurposed them. I made some earrings. I've got 2 different sizes, and they're really nice and lightweight, and obviously they could be whatever colors your paintings are to complement different skin tones and hairstyles and outfits. From the same techniques, I also made a bracelet, and then I made a bookmark, and I think that this is super cute because not only is it a really pretty bookmark, but it's also practical, a sketchbook, and even some coasters. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to actually make any of those things, please let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to make a video. I hope that this tip was helpful. Also in the comments, I'd love to know what you've done with some of your old canvases or how you've moved on from failures. You can also share those pictures with me on Instagram at Rebel Unicorn Crafts or at Lacey Walker Art. I hope you have a magically creative day.